In the 1920s, a $20 bill could buy you a luxury tailor-made suit. Today, that same bill barely buys a simple tie. But 1 ounce of gold, it has held its ground. It can still buy those luxury suits and then some. Welcome to the clash of the titans, gold versus real estate. Which one is the ultimate shield for your wealth? History is a graveyard of paper currencies. They turn to dust, but a gold bar remains solid, shining through every crisis. Inflation is like a red fog, rotting the cash hidden under your floorboards. Gold creates a barrier that inflation cannot penetrate. Need liquidity? You can trade gold instantly, anywhere. Selling a house, however, can take months of waiting and paperwork. Not all gold is created equal. Forget expensive jewelry. The high craftsmanship fees eat into your potential profits. Focus on high-purity bullions and sovereign coins. They offer the lowest fees and the highest resale value in the global market. Alternatively, gold ETFs allow you to invest through your phone, removing the need for physical safes and security. The best time to buy was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now, as global uncertainty rises. When interest rates fall and currencies wobble, gold traditionally climbs higher. It is the ultimate hedge against chaos. However, gold doesn't grow. It stays the same size while a factory or real estate can produce income and expand. Gold is your insurance, not your engine. Store it safely and decode the secrets of the yellow metal today.